Unveiling the warmth of memory. Understanding, recall with fondness. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful journey of learning English. Today, we're exploring a heartfelt phrase that touches upon memory and emotion. Recall with fondness. This phrase embodies the warmth of remembering past experiences with joy and affection. Let's unpack its meaning and usage together, ensuring you can incorporate it into your conversations and writing with ease and understanding. Recall with fondness is a phrase made up of two key components: recall and with fondness. To recall means to remember or bring something back into one's mind from the past. With fondness refers to feeling affection or love for something or someone. When combined, these words create a powerful expression that signifies remembering someone or something in a way that brings happiness and warmth to your heart. This phrase is particularly useful when sharing memories or experiences that hold a special place in your heart. It's often used in storytelling, reflective writing, or when reminiscing with friends and family about past events that were joyful or meaningful. For example, I recall with fondness the summers spent at my grandmother's house. She recalls with fondness the day she adopted her first pet. It's a beautiful way to express that a memory is not just remembered, but cherished and looked back upon with love. Using recall with fondness effectively requires understanding the context and maintaining the appropriate tone. This phrase is best suited for informal and semi-formal settings where sharing personal stories and emotions is welcomed. The tone should be reflective, warm, and appreciative, ensuring that the listener or reader feels the sincerity and depth of the emotion being expressed. Recall with fondness is more than just a phrase. It's an expression of heartfelt memory and affection. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning and usage, enriching your English language journey with another layer of emotional depth. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about conveying feelings and stories that connect us all. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more beautiful expressions with you. Stay curious, and keep learning.